Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. I know the current Bitcoin movement looks uncomfortable, with price getting close to closing under the 50-week EMA, which many analysts treat as a negative signal. One of the loudest voices talking about this is Ben, who was incorrect throughout the last full cycle, even while promoting his private on-chain dashboard. But when you switch to the daily chart, the picture becomes more balanced. There is clear potential for a base forming around the current levels. On the 4-hour chart, we can see a deep oversold double pivot indicated by the 2 green dots, along with a positive divergence against price. The MACD is still in a downward state, but beginning to contract. The histogram is moving from strongly negative to less negative, which is the earliest phase of a potential momentum shift as it crosses above the signal line. We are also right at the symmetrical triangle measured move target from last week's move into 95,000. That last leg down showed weakening characteristics, lower overall volume, smaller candle bodies, and reduced follow-through compared to the earlier move. This type of behavior often reflects exhaustion rather than the start of a fresh downward phase. The RSI is stabilizing around 30, also showing a positive divergence across the last 2 lows, which looks similar to the setup we saw before the mid-October reversal. As mentioned in yesterday's video, there is a realistic chance that a recovery can start next week. If buyers become more active, the first upward area to watch is the 21 EMA around 97.6 thousand, followed by the 50 EMA near 100.2 thousand, and then the range between the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA around 106.4 thousand overall. The market is in a typical post-capitulation compression phase. Downward pressure is fading, participants are slowly testing higher levels, but the structure has not fully shifted yet. Historically, this type of environment supports a mean reversion bounce into the zone between 98,000 and 99,000, before the market decides whether to build a larger base or explore one more leg lower. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment. It really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.